Hey everyone, today we're going to be solving the diagonal difference. Let's get started. So we're given a square matrix, okay? And we have to calculate the absolute difference between the sums of its diagonals. Interesting. So for example, the square matrix array below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 9. So left to right diagonal is 1, 5, 9. So 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. The right diagonal, left 3, 5, 9 is equal to 17. Complete the diagonal difference in the editor below. So diagonal difference function takes in an integer array. Looks like it's two-dimensional. Why? Okay. It's been a while since I've worked with dimensional arrays. So this might be interesting. And we have to return the integer. Okay. The first line contains a single integer. Yeah, we don't really care about this based on the previous ones. Each of the next n lines describes a row. Array at position I consists of n space separated integers. Alright, I still don't fully understand. I understand what I'm given, I guess, and what we have to output, but I don't know, I guess HackerRank has a habit of just formatting the input without you, basically. So yeah, I'll just see quickly what the output is, or what the input is for the function. Okay, yeah, so we're given an array of arrays here. So 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's gonna be interesting, I guess. Let me try this. Console.log array.length. I wonder if I get 3 or 1. Oh, I get 3. Alright, so I can still use that for loop, because I know I'm going to be given 3. But in case there isn't 3, in case it's like 5, in case I'm given 5 rows, and I want to calculate the difference across 5 rows as opposed to 3. That's why I'm going to use the for loop. For let I equals 0 while I is less than array.length I plus plus. Alright, so okay. So we're in the first row here. And let's just focus on getting one number. We're in the first row. well, we want to, let's just get the first number. Let's first equal array at position I at position. Does this work? I don't think this works. Will this work? Oh, let me do 0, 0. And then I'll console log here. Console log first. I wonder if we're given, what's the input here? Okay, so we should get 11 here, hopefully. Undefined. Okay. Oh, wait, let's... Okay, so we get 11 there. Perfect. Now... This is how we'd get the first number. How we'd get the second number. I mean, we let second equal... Is this really the intended way? 1 at position 1. I don't think that's intended. So we're gonna want 5. So we're getting 1. This is 0. This is 1, 0, and this is 1. So 1, 1. This one will probably... Oh, I didn't change the variable name. Okay, and then the next one, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm sure there's a better way than this. There we go, and then... What's the expected output? 15. Why is the expected output 15? Isn't it both sides? Wait, which one are we? Oh, the difference between... Okay, I get it. So, we have to find the primary diagonal, the secondary diagonal, and then the sum of the diagonals. Okay. So... let total equal 0, and then total... We're actually not really using the for loop here, so we can get rid of this and do this here. Oops. And then let... Is this the right? Or let's call this primary. Let primary total. Let primary t, primary total. Let primary, so primary total is equal to primary total plus equals first plus second plus third. And then console.log primary total. And for now we'll just comment this out. Yeah. I'm kind of disappointed that I'm not actually sure what the full solution is. Debug is 4. Huh? So 11 plus 5 is 16. Yeah, that's correct. So far that's correct. And then let's copy this, paste this here, secondary total, let 4th, 5th, 6th. So now it's going to be 2, 1, 0. Yep. And then what was it? Secondary total is equal to 4th, 5th, 6th, and then secondary total. Let's comment this out and just double check. Runtime error, secondary total is not defined. Let sec second day. I've got the Y. Oh, not the Y, the R. Okay, so yeah. So now if we do primary minus secondary should return the correct value. Well, actually, I got a better idea. Let's difference equal primary total minus secondary total, and then I wonder if this works. Oh, I don't bother. Difference. I'm getting minus 15. I want the true difference. Absolute value. I'm actually not sure how I would get the absolute value here. I mean, there is another way, I guess. This is probably a bit of a cheat, but if primary total is equal to primary total is greater than secondary total, I'll do greater than or equal to because it won't really matter. Oh, it shouldn't really matter. Oops. This is a very poor way of solving the problem, but we'll fix this hopefully. Okay, and then we'll just return, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So far we've known the correct answer, but the problem is it's not exactly, our answer isn't exactly reproducible, or it's not perfect. For example, if we were given 5 rows instead of 3, this would not work. And if and another thing, we maintainability maintainability is actually pretty horrible here. So we're gonna have to refactor this quite a bit. So this seems like the easiest chunk of code to refactor. Is there a better way of finding the absolute value though? I'm not sure. So yeah, right now you can just see where we're copying this, we're duplicating this chunk here. So okay, what we can do is we can declare difference at the top. Let difference equal 0, and then difference plus equal, or difference plus equal, we'll just do equals here. Okay, so if we take this out of the if and else block, we now only have one return now. Yep, let's actually make a function here. Find difference. Function find difference. Okay. So we're going to need primary total and secondary total. Primary total and secondary total. Yep. Primary total and secondary total. Okay. So that's a bit better. I'm actually pretty happy with this bit. I'm not happy with how... I'm not happy that I have to use this to find the absolute value. I'm sure there's probably a cheap hidden function to solve this that I'm not aware of. But for now, that's fine. Let's get rid of this. If this is 3, I'm starting to see a pattern. I. And then array.length -1 minus I. So if the array length is 3, minus I is 0, so that's still 3, minus 1 is 2. Minus I 1 becomes 2, minus 1. Maybe. Let's try this. Let's total equals 0. Oh, let primary, let's call this total 1, and I'll rename these variables later. So let total 1 equals 0. So total 1 plus equals array at position I, and then console.log total 1. Will I get 12 or will I get 4 here? Okay. And then total 2 plus equals array dot length minus I minus 1 minus actually I'll do 1 plus I. Okay. Array dot length minus 1 plus I. So I'm guessing this will work because 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 0 is still 2. Oh, actually no, this isn't gonna work because of this. Oh wait, I don't need this here. I can still do I here. Yeah, I can still use I here. It doesn't matter because I'm still going down each row sequentially from top to bottom. It's only it's only the column where I need to go in reverse. So this should work, I think. So console.log total 2 run code. Runtime error, what's the problem? Total 2 is not defined. Let's just copy this and call it total 2. $19. Okay. So this actually does work. I'm going to start deleting everything that I've done before. So I don't need any of this. This needs to go at the bottom. So total 1, total 2, remove this. Total 1, total 2. Should technically work. Why undefined? What have I done wrong here? Total 1, total 2. Let me see if it's actually getting the values. Primary total minus, I'll just do 1 at a time. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so for oh no, yeah, that's correct. Okay, so I'm passing the correct values. This technically should work. Console.log difference. Oh wait, am I meant to, okay, maybe that's why. Because it's looking for the return of this, okay. And I'm not actually returning anything here, so if I return difference. Okay. So let's just have a quick review of everything we've done. So we're looking for two totals here. The primary diagonal and the secondary diagonal. We're using a for loop. And we're going get the first number in the column. So first row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. And then when we go backwards, first row, last column, first row, second column, second row, second column, third row, first column. And from what I'm seeing, this, where am I? Yeah. This solution should actually be scalable to account for any size square. I'd like to try a custom input, so let's try 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, let's go with this. I wonder if this will actually work. Why can't I? Let's try 5, yeah. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So just to quickly find out what our diagonal is, 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 13 is 21. Is it? 1 plus 7, 8. Yeah, plus 20, 21, yep. 21, 30, 40, 40, 60, 65. So the first number is 65, and then if we do it backwards, 21 plus 17 is 28, 38, 38. Is that right? 21, 28, 38, 38, 41, 51. I'm doing this the wrong way, aren't I? No, I'm doing it the right way. 21, 28, 38, 41, 51, 51, 60, 65. Is that correct? Yeah, okay, interesting. It's the same number, so it should be 0. 21... Let me double check this. 21, 31, 40. I'm getting my calculator out for this. 21 plus 17 plus 13 plus 9 plus 5. 65. That's awkward. That it's the same number both times. So the difference should be 0. Okay. Interesting. This was a pretty interesting challenge. It's interesting, and it's actually marked as easy. It was fairly easy, I guess, but I'd say it was probably more challenging of the easy challenges that I've done so far. Is there anything else that I can fix in here? Do I need 2 variables here? Well, I need to find the difference here. I need to actually minus everything, and I need to increment each value with the for loop. So I think I'm gonna need these. The only thing that I think I could probably fix is finding the absolute difference. What does this do? Returns the absolute value of a number. The value without regard to whether it's positive or negative. For example, the value of -5 is the same as the absolute value of 5. Okay, so I can just use this. Interesting. So there was a little function that I didn't know. I just guessed there using the math class. So let me comment this out. Return math.abs total 1. Well, actually, total 1. Total 2. Will this work? Can I do it like this? Yeah, total... Huh? Ah, total 1. How am I getting 23 here? 11 plus 5 is 16 is 4. Yep. 9, 19. So 19 plus 4 is 22. Maybe it needs to be a minus. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a difference. Okay, so it does work. Interesting. So I can get rid of this function. Get rid of this. Okay, we've actually... Wow, I can't believe we've done that. We've actually created quite a neat, little, efficient, scalable solution. Wow, that is actually... I'm actually impressed with myself. Is there anything we can fix here? I'm pretty happy with this. I'm happy with this. It's... I'm not entirely happy with how we're using 2 containers. It looks like duplicate code to me, but it's so minimal here, and I think we do need the containers for this. Yeah, I'm actually very happy with this. Let's submit, see if we get everything right. Wow, we actually got everything right. Thank you, HackerRank. Appreciate it. These are all locked, so we can't see. But wow, that's amazing. Well, I'm actually impressed with myself. Like, wow. Cool. I'm probably going to be thinking about this for the rest of the day. Hope you learned something. I know I did, definitely. Remember, it's always important to refactor your code. Always look to see if there is a better solution. And it's always important to break down the problem into smaller, more manageable chunks. If you don't know how to solve the problem as a whole initially, that's okay. Just solve one little thing at a time. Try to find the first number, the second number, the third number, and then try to make it more general. Try to find a more abstract way of finding those same numbers, but it will apply to the same to any situation. Yeah, I really hope you learned something here. This is a great problem. I suggest everyone to try problems like this, to practice with these sorts of problems. And I'll see you in the next video.